Hello! Happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So we are back with our English class and which chapter were we studying? Chapter number 18, Rip Van Winkle. So in the last class, we had completed the chapter and in today's video, we will understand the meanings of it. Okay, so let us begin. So these are your meanings. And what is the first one? Avoid. What is the meaning of avoid? To prevent something from happening. Okay, avoid का मतलब क्या? कि अगर कुछ हो रहा हो, happening हो रहा हो, उसे हम prevent करें, रोकना. Sentence: We should avoid crossing the roads alone. हम क्या बोलते हैं? Because you're young, so it is very risky to cross the road, isn't it? You may get into an accident. So what do we advise? That try to avoid crossing the roads without anyone and make sure there's someone with you. Then next one, barrel. What is a barrel? First I'll show you. You remember in the video?
Please help me carry this barrel to my friends.
Yes, so this is a barrel. A large round container usually made of wood or metal with flat ends and usually covered sides. Okay? जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि बैरल क्या होता है? एक बड़ा सा राउंड कंटेनर होता है. Okay? It is in round shape and it is generally made of wood or metal. It has flat ends and it has usually curved. Curve होता है usually. Okay? There is an empty barrel kept in my storeroom. Next, cave. What is a cave? A large hole in a hill. Okay? What is a cave? A large hole in a hill. I'll show you the photo. See.
So he and the funny-looking man walked down to a cave in the mountain below the stream.
Yes. So generally you might have seen caves in a film. आपने animated cartoon films में भी caves देखे होते हैं. It's like a गुफा. And what can we do? हम वो छोटी सी place में रह भी सकते हैं थोड़े time के लिए. And many animals also stay there. What is it? It is a cave. The wolf disappeared into the cave. Crossed. What is crossed? Passed from one side to the other. हम एक साइड से दूसरे साइड पे जब जाएं तो हमने क्या किया? हमने क्रॉस किया. For example, you might have heard, we cross the road. हम रोड क्रॉस करते हैं ना, राइट से लेफ्ट में और लेफ्ट से राइट में. He crossed the road at the zebra crossing. Is it clear? कि हमने एक साइड से दूसरे साइड गए तो we say it is crossed. Dipped. Put something quickly into a liquid and took it out again. Okay, dip करना क्या होता है? We have seen in the story also, there was this large barrel and एक mug लिया उसने, Rip Van Winkle ने, and he dipped his mug and वापस बाहर लिया. So why? ताकि उसे वो जो drink पीनी है वो mug में आ जाए. See?
Rip Van Winkle too dipped a mug in the barrel and drank it.
Yes. So in this way we dip it and then we take it back. What is it known as? Dipped. हम भी घर में ऐसे करते हैं, right? If you want to drink water, हमारे घर में मटका भी होता है. So हम क्या करते हैं? उसमें ऐसे डालते हैं and then we pour it in our glass. It is dipped. Exercise. Exercise करते हैं हम? Do you exercise? Exercise means physical activity. Okay? हम जो physical activity करते हैं, exercise में walking, running, jumping, playing games, all these come into the category of exercise. Walking is a good exercise. Gather. People came together in one place to form a group. Gathered का मतलब होता है कि जब बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ आते हैं, okay, together in one place. They come together in one place to form a group. So if you remember in class also, many a times, what does the teacher do? वो आपको activities देती हैं कि आपको group में करना है. So आप क्या करते हैं? आप सब students एक साथ gather होते हैं. Is it clear? What is gather? Then ignored. Page no attention. Ignore करना means हम किसी को attention नहीं दें. She ignored me at the party. So in this sentence, what is it? Like it might be that both the girls, they are good friends, but what did she do? उसने उसे ignore किया, उसे attention नहीं दी, उसके बाद उसके पास जाके उससे बात नहीं की. So what she did? She ignored her. Indeed. Used to emphasize a positive sentence or answer. Indeed का मतलब हम indeed तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी statement को या sentence को या answer को positively show करना चाहते हैं. For example, I was very happy indeed to know that my friend had done well in the exam. So what is it? In the sentence we can come to know कि that person is happy because her friend did well in the exam. So ये positivity दिखाती है that वो positive है, वो happy है. Job. What is job? Work for which you receive payment. So job का मतलब तो हमें पता होगा, right? What people do, your parents also might do, है ना? आपके पापा भी job करते होंगे. Even I do job. So what we do? We have to work and उसके return में हमें payment मिलती है. That is known as a job. Sentence. He now has a job in a factory. Okay? Then lazy. Not willing to work or be active. In the last chapters also we have learned about lazy. That sometimes we feel lazy. हमें काम करने का मन नहीं करता. That is laziness. Overjoyed. Extremely happy or pleased. When we see mama makes a favorite dish, we become overjoyed, right? Overnight. During or for the night. To make rice idlis, soak the rice overnight. Overnight का मतलब होता है कि during और for the night. जैसे for example इस sentence में बोला है इडली बनाने के लिए हमें rice soak करने होते हैं overnight. That is हमें previous day पे क्या करना होता है, रात को उसे soak करना होता है and full night वो soaked रहेगा ताकि next day हम उसे use कर सकें. So what we did, हमने उससे एक previous day पे उसे soak कर दिया. This is overnight. Puzzled. Unable to understand something or the reason for something. Okay, sometimes you're puzzled. Okay, what happened and why did it happen? We don't even understand the meaning or the reason behind it. When the teacher asked a question, the child looked puzzled. Now in this sentence, it may happen that the child might not be paying attention और उसे लगा होगा कि मैम तो मुझे नहीं पूछेगी. But all of a sudden, मैम ने उससे question पूछा and the child was puzzled. Recognize. To know who somebody is. Recognize करना means पहचानना. कि for example, sometimes your relatives come and they ask you, do you remember me? Then you recognize them. Yes, you are my uncle. Refuse to say that you will not do something that somebody has asked you to do. Now, sometimes mama asks you to do something कि आप मेरी help कर दो kitchen में, so आप उन्हें refuse कर देते हो, maybe because of work or maybe you're feeling lazy. So what you said? You said, no mama, I cannot do. So that is refusing to do anything. Spot. a particular place or area. For example, if I say I have kept this place for you all, this spot is for you. So ये place आपके लिए है. Spot means a particular place. And last one, strange. Strange means unusual or surprising. For example, it is strange to know that you do not enjoy cartoon movies. Now in this sentence, what they are trying to say, see, generally many people enjoy cartoon movies. है ना, आप भी cartoon movies enjoy करते हो. But if someone says something different कि हाँ मुझे नहीं पसंद, so it is strange for us कि cartoon movies तो सबको पसंद है, but आपको नहीं पसंद. That is a bit unusual. What is it? Strange. Is it clear, students? So I hope the meanings is clear to all of you. This is it for now. We will meet in the next class. Till that, may God bless you. Goodbye.